In this video, I want to show you how I apply the beard growth oil on my beard for it to grow the way it is right now. I have been on a journey of growing a beard. For it to reach here, there are some things that I've been doing that if you want to grow a beard, you should also start doing these things. What you should know is that for you to grow a beard like this, you have to do certain things. I've been using this beard growth oil for a while now, and it works just fine. It works just fine. So if you are new to the beard growth journey, you want to grow a beard for the first time, you should subscribe. Everything I talk about here on this channel is just growing a beard and taking care of yourself as a man so you can look good, so you just look representable and you just look smart. Because as a man, if you don't take care of yourself, no one will. You have to learn how to take care of yourself. You have to learn how to take care of your beard and also just taking care of yourself in general. So how to apply beard growth oil, this is what I want to show you in here. Now, every beard growth oil or beard oil that you buy is going to come with an eyedropper. This is an eyedropper, and so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to empty it so you can see how much you can you don't want to apply too much of oil such that it looks messy. What you want is to apply enough oil so that your beard is not itchy, because if it's itching then you're not going to be comfortable, but instead you want your beard to be comfortable, to look smart and just look clean, and also be able to grow a beard in the long run. So put your eyedropper in the beard growth, in your beard oil. Squeeze this because this is squeezable. Just squeeze this and make sure that you get enough, something like this. This is enough for my beard. As you can see, when I do this, then I'm going to drop these. 1, 2, just drop these on your hands like that, just like that. Then you can rub your hands together to make sure that your hands you sprayed the beard oil on your hands like that evenly, so that when you start applying it to your beard like this, your beard is going to be smart. So just do this gently until you feel your skin is not itching anymore, because it's going to be itchy. When you start growing a beard, you're going to find out that your beard is not going to be comfortable. It's going to itchy big time, but the beard oil or the beard growth oil is going to get rid of that problem. Beard oil is very important if you're growing a beard, because it's going to be itchy and you're not going to be comfortable. So to get rid of that problem, that's where the beard oil comes in. That's where the beard growth oil comes in. They all do the same thing. And also there is something we call a beard balm. It's just like Vaseline. So if you want to not experience itchiness to your beard, you should also apply beard balm. If you're struggling with growing a beard, there are so many different scientific researches out there that says that when you use a minoxidil oil, you can grow a beard within a short period of time. Myself, I don't use that. Instead, to this beard that you see on my face, it's natural. So I recommend you also just stick to the process of growing a beard from scratch and just do whatever it takes for you to grow a beard, and you thank yourself later. Your future version of yourself is going to thank yourself. Because I've experienced and I've also seen results and also experiences where people started using this, product, and then after some time they stop using that, then the beard start falling. You don't want to experience that. So what you need is just be patient, do whatever it takes, make sure that what you put in your body is actually supporting your beard growth. You should not just eat anything. You have to be careful of what you put in, and also just take care of your skin, because if you have a lot of dead skin cells on your face, you don't take care of your skin, then your beard is not going to grow the way you expect it to. So take care of your skin, take care of your face. Remove the dead skin cells by exfoliating, washing your face as often as possible to get rid of the dead skin cells. That way, when beard starts growing, it's going to find that the pores are empty, so it's just going to grow healthily and smoothly and just without any problems. But if you have dead skin cells on your face, when you start growing a beard, you're going to see that you start experiencing some facial itchiness and balls and a lot of things, pimples coming out of your face. That's not what you want. Well, instead, you want to take care of your face and get rid of the dead skin cells. When you do that, you are going to grow the beard in no time. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want me to continue making more videos about beard growth, and if you have any questions about beard growth, and if you have just anything, you can ask me in the comments in the comments. You can drop your questions in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching once more, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.